Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how to show your file extension or the type of the file that you ever have downloaded or you have saved into your computer. So in this video I'm going to show you the full method and technique, or you can even say a tutorial, in which I will be showing that how you can add details to your file for showing the file extension. So even through file extension you will be able to check the format of your file, whether it is a photo, a ppt or a word document. So let's move on with me, and please make sure that you have subscribed and liked our video. So to do this you have to search for the file explorer into the Windows 10. So you have two options, whether you go to the file explorer from the bottom taskbar or just click on this PC. So the best method is to just go to your file explorer, so that wherever your file is it would be displayed. So I have clicked on the file explorer for the file extension, and then you have to find the file path wherever your files are placed. For example, if my files are placed in local disk E, so here it is one of my game. And if your files are placed in local disk F, for example, I am in my download folder. So here you can see here are some files, but I can't differentiate them which type of file extension they support, or what are the format of the files. To show the file extension in the Windows 10, you have to just find the view tab. Just click on the view tab and then click on the details tab or details option. After clicking the details tab, you would be able to find all the format type or the file extension of your files in the Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. So I hope that you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.